Hi there, how are you doing? This is Ben Hewlett here, coming at you with a harmonica workshop, or web class you might call it, which is going to happen this coming Thursday. So would you like to come to it? It's going to be about an hour long, and what I'm going to do during this web class is I'm going to reveal the 5-part plan that I've developed for learning the harmonica. And the reason that this works is because it's a roadmap. So I'm going to give you a roadmap for learning the harmonica, and we'll go into the first stage of it on the class. We'll go into the rhythm and breathing and chords and chugging and train sounds and the groove and the swing of music. Does that make sense? It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing, Duke Ellington told us. So that's what we're going to go into: chords, rhythms, grooves, breathing. That's the fundamental thing of the harmonica, is breathing, and coupled with the fundamental thing about music, which is rhythm, swing, then that's what we're going to get into. So there'll be a link somewhere around this video, I don't know where exactly. So click that link and that'll take you to a little sign up page, and that will then take you to the calendar, and you can choose the one you want to come to. Like I said, there's one this Thursday, so it'll probably only show one available. And then when you come to that, bring a C harmonica. Any others you've got is fine. C diatonic, 10-hole diatonic, like that, one of those. Key of C, 10-hole diatonic. Bring more if you've got them, because you can always use the other harmonicas. And we'll have some fun, and that's going to be great. And there will be a special offer during this process. I'm not going to sell you anything, but there is a special offer that you can take advantage of if you want to. So come along, have some fun, and I'm going to give you this roadmap. This is going to be a fantastic way for you to start mastering the harmonica. Okay, see you inside. Okay.